Welcome to Cloud Infrastructure Services YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show you how you can set up Terraform on Ubuntu hosted on Azure. So simply click the link in the description box to come to this marketplace listing for Azure, and from here you want to create a new virtual machine. So for that, simply click on Get It Now right over here. After that, simply click on Continue, and then from this page you want to click on Create. After that, you would be brought to this screen from where you can customize your virtual machine. So give your subscription right over here, and then either choose an already existing resource group or create a new one, and then give your virtual machine a name. I'm going to call my virtual machine as Terraform. After that, simply choose the region where you want your virtual machine to be deployed, and then scroll down and make sure that the image is the one that you got from the link in the description box. Then make sure that the size is according to your requirements. Now for the authentication type, you can either go with the SSH public key authentication or you can go with the password protected authentication. So for the sake of this tutorial, I am going to go with the SSH public key. And lastly, make sure to give a specific username, because this is the username that you will be using in the command prompt to connect to the SSH terminal of our virtual machine. When you're satisfied with the settings, simply click on Review plus Create. After that, it is going to run some validation, so wait for the validation process to complete. Once the validation process is complete, simply click on Create to actually create the virtual machine. But this time around, you are prompted to download the private key and create resource, so simply click on it and download the private key in a secure folder, because again, this is the private key that you are going to use when connecting to the SSH terminal of your virtual machine. After that, you need to simply wait for the deployment process to complete. Once the deployment is complete, we want to connect to the SSH terminal of our virtual machine. So for that, simply click on Go to Resource, and then simply click on Connect and choose SSH. From here you can see this command right over here. So copy this command and then open up either a command prompt or a PowerShell. Paste in this command and replace the private key path for the path where you have downloaded your private key. After replacing the path to the private key, simply hit enter, and when you are prompted, type in yes and hit enter once more. Now you have successfully logged into your SSH terminal of your virtual machine. Now the next step is to confirm the installation of Terraform. So for that, we have the command terraform space -v or maybe -version, and then hit enter. So as you can see that we are currently running the Terraform version 0.15.4. So now we can actually go on and use some of the basic Terraform commands, such as terraform space init, which is going to initialize the Terraform in an empty directory. Or maybe we want to run something like terraform space plan. Well, this is going to result in an error because we have not set up any configuration file, but you get the idea. So that brings us to the end of this video. Make sure to check out the link in the description box for the marketplace listing on Azure, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if this video has helped you in any way.